I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. The Milky Way name came from a Greek goddess named Hera, who spilled milk across the sky. Greeks believed in that era. When you look at the darkest sky on a clear summer night, and you see the image of the Milky Way clear in sight, remember you can only see a small part of me, called the galactic core in my galaxy. Astronomers can't look at me from outside the galaxy, because I'm so massive and you don't have the technology. Based on other galaxies we see outside of our own, is why we conclude that our galaxy spiraled as I'm shown. When you look at a side view of the Milky Way here, you see me as a flat disk with a bulge center. I appear. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I was born about 13.6 billion years ago. That's a hypothesis given from astronomers, though. I am 100,000 light years in diameter. That's an estimate given by NASA, though they can't be sure. Your solar system's this tiny dot that you see right here. Astronomers think that Orion spurs where your system appears. Your system's guessed to be 25,000 light years from the galactic center of the Milky Way shown here. About 230 million years is what your system takes to orbit around the Milky Way center's cool shape. 200 to 400 billion stars live in me. That's an estimate only based on our astronomy. Over 100 billion planets might exist in me. Maybe someday you can see them in our galaxy. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. Let's take a look at all the parts that you think I'm made of. We'll start by looking down at the galaxy above. The galactic core's the rotational center you can't see. Because of the interstellar dust, it cannot be studied. It's believed the center is a supermassive black hole. When astronomers find out more, then I will let you know. You'll notice the galactic bar and also the long bar. There's the 3 kpc arms, there is a near and there's a far. Then we have the Sagittarius and the Norma arms. Then the Orion spur, where your solar system spins on. The Scutum Centaurus and Perseus arm are 2 major spirals and full of the galaxy's charm. Finally, the outer arm and the new outer arm are the final spirals I will mention in this song. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me.